This is Hanshow's new swivel mount for your Tesla Model 3 Highland display. It is also available in option for Model 3 and Model Y. It swivels 30 degrees to the left and 30 degrees to the right, as well as tilt 15 degrees up and down. Installation of the swivel mount should take no more than 20 minutes. Power off your display, pop open the bottom cover, unplug the wires to the bottom cover. Next, remove the two nuts on the bottom behind the screen. Once you remove this, pull off the display by wiggling it towards the armrest. And now, unscrew the cover between the actual display and remove the purple harness that connects the display. Then swap over those cover, and before you install the display back on, install this bracket. This bracket is what allows the display to swivel. After the bracket is installed, put back on the cover that came with the kit and screw back the two bolts after you screw in the two screwdrivers. And that is it. So now back to the cover of the actual display. Place the cover back on, screw both those hex screws on, and hand tighten it. Make sure you don't overstrip it. Plug it back in, and you're good to go. Now place the actual display back on and screw those two torque screw in the bottom. Now swap over the actual cover for the temperature sensor using the provided screws, and also plug back in and reinstall the cover. And that is it. It takes less than 20 minutes for this installation. And that is it. Now you have a swivel mount for the Tesla Model 3 and the Y and 3 Highland to be able to swivel just like the X and the S refresh. Catch you on next time. Remember to subscribe.